Back to school season is started. We from Licks and Bites thought of bringing you some easy sandwich solutions to dedicated for those super moms, working folks, and the innumerable lunchbox packing community. Be it breakfast or lunch, bread is what we mostly resort to. So, we are presenting you two simple and easy bread sandwiches, one made out of chicken and the other with egg. Hope you enjoy and make your life easy with our sandwich recipes. These recipes are simple, but they are secrets which we wanted to share. So stay with us till the end of the episode and take the most of it. I'm sure you'll appreciate spending time watching it. Our first sandwich is a classic. A simple yet tasty chicken mayo. Let's begin by cooking the chicken first. 6 to 8 pieces of chicken. We have got here these pieces already washed in salt and turmeric. In goes some water in the pan, followed by a couple of bay leaves and a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Chicken pieces next. Let it boil and cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the chicken is tender. It's a good practice to remove the scum that gets collected on the surface over the top as the chicken boils. This helps in getting rid of any bad odors in the meat. Once the chicken is cooked, let's strain them out and cool it a bit. Shred them to small pieces. In the mixer grinder, let's add in a few white peppercorns, some black peppercorns, give it a rough grind and add in the shredded chicken and grind them all together to a fine powder. Next thing to go in will be a few teaspoons of mayonnaise, preferably unflavored. And for the diet watchers, this quick tip is for you. If you wish to reduce the mayo in your sandwich, use a tablespoon of milk to make it spreadable, but don't ever make it runny. Mix the chicken mince powder and the mayo until both blend in well. A little salt to season, followed by some black pepper powder to add extra heat. Now mix it well to a spreadable even consistency. Chicken mayo tastes better with no crusts, so let's remove the crusts from all sides of the bread slices. Next comes our secret ingredient, the salad leaf. Use a salad leaf that's crunchy, which will add texture to your sandwich. And nothing works the best than an iceberg lettuce. Iceberg lettuce is a magical ingredient with its crunch on every bite. And our special tip for making this sandwich is to use the iceberg lettuce in bigger pieces and not shredding them off. Each shred reduces the crunch and adds to the sandwich falling apart if not used with a paper wrap or a folded napkin. So it's a wise choice to use it roughly chopped and get the maximum out of each bite with an extra crunch. For assembling our chicken mayo sandwich, let's take a slice of bread, spread the filling first. Top it with a piece of iceberg lettuce and cover it with another slice of bread. And there you go, our classic chicken mayo sandwich is ready with extra crunch guaranteed with our special tips. One slit down there to divide them to two. Make it handy and manageable. And you are ready to pack our classic chicken mayo sandwich in your tiffin box. Our next sandwich is a very simple boiled egg sandwich. Pan of water, eggs and some salt. For our boiled egg sandwich, we shall boil 4 eggs first until it is fully hard boiled. Strain and let them cool. Peel and remove the shells off the egg. Boiled eggs ready. And our secret ingredient, chives, will go in next. Or you may use spring onions too, which are mild in flavor. The subtleness of chives and spring onions will take the sandwich to a different level. Finally, chop them to small pieces. A tablespoon or more of it will be enough. Let's add this to 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Our boiled eggs next. Slice them and chop them to fine pieces. Mix the spring onions and the mayo to the finely chopped eggs. If you love our work, consider subscribing to our channel, Licks and Bites. Do press the like button, giving it a thumbs up. It would be a pat on our back. Little salt to season. And some black pepper for heat. Give it a mix and the egg spread is ready. For assembling our boiled egg sandwich, normal sliced bread. No need to toast, no need to remove the crust too. Spread it generously. Of course, not so generous that it becomes soggy by the time you take it out and eat it later during the day. No salad leaf required. Just simple. Cover it with another slice. Our egg sandwich is also ready. Thank you for watching. So there we got you 2 sandwiches, absolutely easy and delicious. Visit us back to learn more sandwich ideas coming up soon. We guarantee your tiffin box packing is not going to be the same anymore with these easy to make ideas from Licks and Bites. Best of all, these are daily sandwiches which can fit into your breakfast or brunch too. See you soon. A channel to showcase food and cuisine from all around the world, breaking borders with tasty smiles across with Licks and Bites.